right, ladies and gentlemen, friends, collectors, thank you so much for joining in. This is serial numbers number 2, Flawless Briefcase. Baseball on release day. It's impeccable, flawless, and immaculate release day, guys. Thank you so much, man, for making some red numbers happen. The next breakup, we're looking for 3 more to end up filling immaculate basketball. Pick your team number 2. Case 1, very impressive. Number 3, you can still use the discount code on any team and pick your team 3. That goes for impeccable football as well as triple threads and mosaic. Down here, Spectra. Triple threads and Spectra. These you can also use your discount code on. It's BoomFest10 today. So anyway, thank you guys much. Here we go. I got the serial numbers all set, ready to go. All right, 1 through 25. 3 plus. And 6. I stuck the landing on that one. So we're going all the way to 9 to mix up the serial numbers. Thank you guys so much for the fill. Good luck in the break, man. Hitting some monsters today. 7, 8, and 9. All right, so 9 clicks. I've got 15 to 3. 15 to 3. Scroll down here. There we go. All right, and then from Chad to Brian, serial numbers number 2. 3 plus 5, big numbers. All right, so 8 clicks. Six, 7, and 8. All right, Mike at 1, Brady at 25. All right, I'm going to alphabetize now, guys, your names. All right, Adam up top with 7. Wyatt has 21 in this one. Excuse me. Darn nose. All right, serial number 2. Thanks so much for the order, guys. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Speedo, did you hit 1? Oh boy, good luck, man. Oh, this is an opportunity. Come on. I hear you. All right, let's see. All right, so 2 in here. All right, so the 2 encased cards there, and the box there, the briefcase here. All right, good luck, everybody. First card out, a very nice chunky patch. 17 of 20. Zach Gallen. Arizona man. Mike number 17. First card out. It is 17. All right, so 17 of 20. And the next one is a dual relic, old school, man. This one's numbered out of 3. Paul Wainer and Lloyd Wainer, Pittsburgh. That's a legendary boom. Serial number 3 is Brady. Brady, congrats. 3 of 3, the emerald green foil on that one. Same Pittsburgh outfield for many years. Wow. Wainers, brothers. Nice card here. It's a #1 Speedo. Reed Detmers. This guy can pitch, man. Chunky patch. Very nice. That's a beaut, my man. 1 of 5 Detmers. Guys, this will have to go in like a 240 top loader and then throw in a team bag. There's one other one like that. Orioles guy.
Yeah.
So Speedo, congrats. Next, number 12. 12 of 20, burger time. 12 of 20. And number 12, Chad, congrats. Come on, focus for me. There it is, 12 of 20. Jake Berger. Next up, oh, nice, coming up, is Kyle Muller for Atlanta. 18 of 20. 18. Brady. Boom, Brady again. You mark that one. Yeah, man, Brady, you hit one. That 3 out of 3 already. And add that one to it. Kyle Muller. And next is a diamond autograph. Plays for Team USA. Shea Langeliers. Now, this young man was a Brave, I remember, when he was first drafted. So let's see. It don't matter. What am I doing, guys? What am I doing? It's a serial number break. Number 8. We ain't got to worry about it. Brian Carp. Congrats. It's 8 of 10 Langeliers. Is he a Brave, though, by the way? In case I see him in the next break. It's not going to reference anything on the back, but there it is, the diamond autograph, Team USA. What a gorgeous card, man. Next up is a MJ Melendez. Card number is 16. Brian G this time. It's the Star Swatch Signatures. Star Swatch. Man, these cards are awesome. MJ Melendez. Oh, man, nice card. Green Hall of Famer. Green foil, that is. In the old Padres uniform. Dave Winfield and serial number 2. Hits for Mark. Mark D, congrats. 2 of 3, Dave Winfield. San Diego. Let's do this. Numbers, black. And number 2, so Mark. No skunk for Mark. All right, guys. Leaves me with 2 cards. One should be a gemstone. It's a Houston guy. It's Jeremy Pena. Jeremy Pena. Ooh, baby. We've got a diamond on this. And the serial number is here. It's out of 10, guys. Good luck, everybody. 1 through 10. 0. Now it's a 10 of 10. Melissa, number 10 is a match. Congrats. Jeremy Pena. Boom. Rookie diamond. 10 of 10. That's gorgeous. It's like a gold holofoil. All right, and the autograph. Looks like red sleeve again. Oh, there's a name up here. You guys want to know who it is? No? Okay. Where's the serial number? Oh. There it is. Oh, you want to see the name. Wait. It's a duel. Guys, it's a duel. There's a name up top and a name on the bottom. Ronald Acuna. Excuse me, sir. Your signature is showing. Bumblebee Acuna on the top. And that's Juan Soto on the bottom. Oh, boy. Awesome hit. Good luck, guys. Let's see where the number is. I'm trying to slow roll it. There's the picture of Soto. Serial number's probably in the middle. Okay, here it is. Wow. Everybody gets a chance. Everybody gets a chance. This is fun. All right, good luck to all. Out of 25. Card number is 24. Wow. Acuna and Soto. TJ. Boom. It's Thomas. Jay with 24. The one number you're like, I ain't hitting. I ain't hitting with that number. Holy cow, you sure did on this one. Wow. Beautiful card. All right. Well, this stuff taking my breath away today. Congrats, you guys. Everybody that hit. Wow. All right, so we'll do Acuna and Soto together, man. Washington and Atlanta. Kind of glad we don't have to randomize that one. So 24 hit. That was a Pena numbered out of 10. So and then Winfield 2 of 3, 16. Langoliers number 8. And nobody said anything about Langoliers. We'll just say that he's still with the Braves. I'll look it up later. Muller number 18, number 12 Verger. Card number 1. Nice Detmers there. Speedo did get a hit there, my man. The Wayner brothers out of 3 and Zach Gallen to 20. 17. Yeah, card 17. All right, now let me pop this over here so you guys see. Whoa, where'd it go? All right, so those in the running for the briefcase. So everybody that did not receive a card, 3 plus 3. So 6 clicks. The highest name gets it 4, 5, and 6. After 6 clicks, Wyatt, you have won yourself the briefcase, my man. So Wyatt, congrats. We'll send along with your cards. On the next mail day, briefcase. Yeah, we have another one. I think there. Yeah.
Yeah, we put it in the room.
Over there. Yep. All right. So, do I need to print, Angelo?
Yeah.
I do. All right. Control Z. Did it print out okay with the color?
Yeah, they were fine.
All right. Clicked it over there. All right, so that does complete the break, guys. The 2 flawless serial number breaks complete. Thank you so much, everyone. More outstanding hits from Flawless. All right, so guys, let's see where we sit now. It is immaculate to what on earth was that? That is wild. Let me just take all the color out of it. All right. Throw that piece of paper back in there. I wonder why that did that. Okay, good. That looks right. Okay, guys, just a couple left in Immaculate. The next break, the next closest, and then Flawless guys, the random team. That's a 2-box full case or the Flawless Baseball. Random teams at 15. The Impeccable tiered team. That's a good way to attack Impeccable Football, guys. 6 taken already. 10 spots remain in the Impeccable tiered team, and then a random team. Impeccable's down there at 149, and then there's still pick your teams open. Impeccable, you can use the code BOOMFEST10. BOOMFEST10 is still there on anything that's not a filler yet. So that would also include an Immaculate. Never mind, Immaculate's a filler there already too. Pick your team 3 is. But Triple Threads and Spectra, these two here.